How to set up free shipping on BigCommerce easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to set up free shipping on BigCommerce. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will log into your bigcommerce.com and you will get right here. This is our main control panel, our dashboard, and here I will show you how to set up free shipping for a product. For that, we will have to go to the product section here. In products, what we can do is we can add a new product and set up the shipping for it, or you can add free shipping for an existing product as well. You can see with free shipping I have two products, I think. So if I take you right here, you can see I have two products with free shipping. I'm just gonna add free shipping to an existing product. It's very similar, so you can either click on add product or select an existing product that you have. I'm gonna select this one. It will take us right here to edit our product. In here, you can see we have shipping details right here in fulfillment. So you're going to go to the shipping details and it says shipping details, fixed price or free shipping. So instead of adding a price here, for example, for me, if I go with 100 rupees or 200, instead of that, you're going to just select the option free shipping. And this product will be added in free shipping. Click on save. And there you go, this product has been saved. Now, if I go back to my free shipping products, you can see right here. These are the products with free shipping. This is how you can set up free shipping on your products as well. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.